Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to learn about one of the problem. Okay, so this is a string problem of Leetcode. So this is 58th problem, length of last word. So let us read the problem. So given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. Okay, the word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space character only. Okay, so this is the problem. So we can see the example. Input is hello world, output is 5. Why 5? Because the last word is world with the length of 5. And now there is an input fly me to the moon, the output is 4 because the last word length is 4. Another, the length 5. So this is another example, that is Luffy is a still joy boy, right? So the last word here is joy boy and the length is 6. So we are going to see how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, basically we have to split the string into an array. Okay, we have to convert. We have to convert. So let me just explain you. Listen very carefully. Okay. So if you don't listen very carefully, then it is no use. So let me just write over here. First of all, you have to convert the string into string array, and the next step is you have to return the length of last word. That's it. It is an easy problem. So this is the two steps. So how can we return convert the string into string array? For that we will do like this: string, this is a function in Java. In this way you can convert the string into string array. This is s dot split. We are going to split the string. We are going to split the string based on these spaces. Okay, so what this line will do, this line will so for example, there is a string that is my name is Pratik Bhomik. Okay, so this is the string. Okay, so you should listen very carefully. So this is the string. So if we use this statement over here, what it will do is it will look like this. It will basically my name is Pratik Bhumik. So this is the way the arrow of the string will look like. Okay, now let's talk about it. Okay, so now what is our job? Our task is to return this one. The length of this last word, that is Bhumik. The length of this word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Output will be 7. So how can you do this? So we have converted the string into string array, right? So now how can we do this? How can we return this length of this last word, right? So we have to get the index of the last word, right? We have to get the index. We have to get the index of the last word. Okay, get the index of the last word, then we have to return the length of the last word. Okay, so how can we do that? So basically, how can you get the index of the last word? Think. Tell me, write me in the comment section. Okay, so how I will get the index of the last word is, you have to, what you have to do? You have to, first of all, write like this. Int, you have to initialize a variable. Int index of last word equals to string array dot length minus 1. So what is this statement? Let's understand. So string array dot length minus 1. What this will give? So what this will give? This will give the length of the length of the array. First of all, it will return the length of the array. Okay. So what is the length of the array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length of the array. But what is the index of this last one? Last word, that is bhumik. What is the index of this last word bhumik? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the index. So our length is 5, but index is 4. Okay. So you have to understand this one. First of all, you have to get the length of the array, and you have to do minus 1. Then it will give 4, that is 5 minus 1, 4. So it will store the 4 over here in this variable. Now what? You have stored the 4 where index. Now you have to just simply access the index. Okay, you have to write a statement like this. Return string array. Okay, string array index of last word. This is the index of the last word. What it will give? So basically it will return bhumik, but we don't want the string, we want the length of the string. So for that, how can we find the length of the string? There is a function in Java, that is length. This is the function, it will return the length of the string. As simple as that. Okay, so return the length of the string. So yes, I know you are not understanding anything because your basics are not clear. So you have to clear the basics and fundamental first of all to understand such type of things. Okay, so if we see the code now, so I have written the code. If you see the code, you will understand in a better way what was my idea and what I have implemented. So my idea was that I will access the last element and simply return the length of that. For that, this is the function. Okay, see, class solution, this is the class, this is the function over here. Now what is this? Okay, this is a edge case I have handled. What is a edge case? You can see in the internet, you will find it. This means if the length of the string is 0, then it should be minus 1, because in the problem it is mentioned, see constraints. The problem it is clearly mentioned the rule, that is there will be at least one word in the s. They have mentioned it that there needs to be one word. But if there is no word, what you do? It should return minus 1. You have to handle this case. Then see this statement. I am splitting the string and converting the string into a string array based on the spaces. As simple as that. Now I am storing the last index over here. Storing the last index string array length minus 1. This is the last index. This will give the last index. And then I am accessing the length of the string of the last index. See, return string array dot length. Yes. So if you run this code, all the test cases are getting passed. And if we submit also, this is getting passed. So I hope you understood what I have explained in this problem statement. Basically, this problem has told us to return the last word of the string. Very easy and basic problem, guys. So if you found this interesting, right, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my video. I'll see you in the next video with some interesting content. Thanks.